Okay. How about Noe? You do something. Can you do something?
Huh? Okay.
Stay close to her.
Yeah.
Should I do it again, Mom?
Sure. Hold on. Stay close to her. You're doing great.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Great.
Keep going.
Great.
You can do it. Keep going.
Kicking.
Kick. Good job. Okay, Seth, watch out for the side.
Nice.
Watch out for the side of the pool.
Alright, sweet. On the count of 3 though? Like 1.
No, don't bounce.
I mean, I can bounce up, so you go up, and then you jump up. Ready?
But wait.